Welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Are you looking to start a YouTube channel in 2025 but don't know where to begin? Today, I'm sharing the top 20 YouTube channel ideas that not only have high income potential but also low competition. Let's jump right in. 1. Niche ideas. Sustainable living. Share tips on eco-friendly practices and products. Personal finance for beginners. Teach viewers how to manage their money effectively. Remote work tips. Offer advice for those navigating the remote work landscape. Mental health awareness. Create content focused on mental well-being and self-care. DIY home projects. Showcase easy home improvement projects that anyone can tackle. 2. Tech and gaming ideas. Tech reviews for budget gadgets. Focus on affordable tech products that deliver great value. Gaming tutorials. Share tips and tricks for popular games. Virtual reality experiences. Explore the world of VR and share your experiences. App reviews. Review and recommend useful apps for everyday life. Coding for beginners. Teach coding basics in a fun and engaging way. 3. Lifestyle and education ideas. Healthy cooking on a budget. Share nutritious recipes that won't break the bank. Travel vlogs on a budget. Document your travels while sharing money-saving tips. Book summaries and reviews. Provide insights into popular books and their key takeaways. Language learning tips. Help viewers learn a new language with practical advice. Pet care tips. Share advice on caring for pets, from training to nutrition. 4. Unique and creative ideas. Life hacks and tips. Share clever hacks that make everyday tasks easier. Minimalism journey. Document your journey towards a minimalist lifestyle. Unboxing and reviewing subscription boxes. Share your thoughts on various subscription services. Virtual tour of unique places. Take viewers on virtual tour of interesting locations. Creative writing prompts. Inspire aspiring writers with unique prompts and challenges. Thanks for watching TechVibe Nexus. I hope you found these channel ideas inspiring and helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Remember, the key to success is finding a niche you're passionate about. See you in the next video.